Hello, everyone. My name is Liis and I'm an artist as well as curator for our outdoor technological art exhibition Wild Bits. And in my artistic practice, I come from new media art background. I mostly explore sound, and in my research, I've explored the borders of private and public soundscapes and sound as an eventscape, and also different characteristics of sound through sonifying different materials. But together with Timo, we run an artist residency in southern part of Estonia. And one important event in the framework of what we do is the Wild Bits exhibition, where we're all both acting as curators. And maybe this presentation is also maybe focused not so much on our own artistic practice, but more on the ways how we curate Wild Bits exhibition and work with other artists and use the space in Maya, which is also our studio and working space, and how we share it with other artists.
Hello from me as well. My name is Timo, and I'm an artist as well. And this space was founded in 2013. It's called Maya. It was founded in the South Estonia. It's actually similar distance to Riga than to Tallinn, so it's quite in the Baltics. It's kind of actually in a central place. My artistic background is also in media arts. I have been working with digital technologies, online privacy, and these kind of more internet-based topics, but very interested also in data visualization and also using data as material in my own practice. But in 2013, when this opportunity came that there is an empty house, then this idea to create a space for exploring the connection to nature through these digital, let's say, mediums or technologies, then the idea was to create space where nature is very close and you can experiment with these tools and just go out and do things outdoors. So this is what we have there. We have a residency house. We have 2 workshops, so you can actually produce artworks there as well. So we try to combine being in this location with quite a good setup of actually producing artworks. Yeah.
And yeah, how we operate is that we host self-funded residencies full year long. We welcome artists around the year, and also institutional residencies, meaning that a gallery space or a museum wants to bring artists to our space and give them the possibility to produce artworks and stay in the residency. Also, we closely collaborate with local and international art institutions and host workshops in Maya. And like I said before, this outdoor technological art exhibition has been now one of our main activities. I will pass on this booklet of our exhibition that took place last year in Maya. So it's around 20 hectares of land where the exhibition is taking place, like a 3-kilometer trail. And it started as a pilot project in 2018. On the picture you can see an artwork by Antti Laitinen from the series of Broken Landscapes. And this project was a short short-term and smaller scale exhibition that in 2024 turned into a larger exhibition. Here you can see the process. Maybe you want to comment on that one.
Yeah, like maybe the definition of technological art, it's a little bit vague, and also we don't really define what is technology, and we let the artists who come there to define it themselves. And so it's open for discussion what is it of technological art, because we felt media art is a little bit too narrow for what we do there, and land art is maybe also too broad. So we found out this term as technological art. And this artwork was created there, but actually it lived its life later online when it went viral, and it was shared and photoshopped and kind of interpreted many times. So it was quite a powerful work also on site, but also in a digital medium.
Yeah, the exhibition was part of the European Culture Capital Tartu 2024, and the theme was Arts of Survival. And our exhibition also reflected on that. And in order to exhibit those works, we had open call, and we hosted artist residencies and produced these works in Maya mostly. In total, we exhibited 15 artworks. Here are some examples of those works. And this work is by German artist duo Haydn Gries. And they used these inflatable air tubes to illustrate the kind of very rapid forestification processes that taking down forests and replacing these very diverse forests with monocultural trees. So that was one example. We also have video documentaries of those works that you can find online. We unfortunately don't have enough time to go through all, but this maybe is very kind of on-point example in this conference. It's a work by Marco Parotti called Fungi. And in our work, the artists oftentimes also collaborate with scientists, and Marco worked together with scientists from Tartu University, and also used sound sonification of data. Maybe you want to add something here as well, and then we can see a little snippet of the work.
Yeah, I guess actually I would invite you to see the documentaries, because they are we put quite a lot of effort into making them, and they're quite nice quality, and the stories of the background of the artworks, because we also understand that when we are located in this rural space, we have a limited amount of audience. So what we really wanted to do is also capture these ideas and these experiences, and then video is actually a good format to kind of tell the stories further. Yeah. But here it's the biologist and the artist, they were working with DNA samples of mushrooms from the soil, and then it was like they also were photographing the samples of the fungi and the DNA as well, and then sonified this soundscape as you see here. Oh, 1 minute.
Okay. I would gladly move to the next slide, but maybe you can help me to do that. And yeah, here is also one great example from Julijonas Urbonas. His starting point was trying to like build a installation where plants are growing in microgravity. And this is the visitor map, how the audience explored the exhibition. And the next exhibition will be in 2027. And we expect artists to also submit new works in the end of this year. We will launch an open call, and we will be presenting a satellite exhibition of wild bits in Oulu in E-Biennale next year in Finland. So thank you very much for your attention, and thank you for the invitation.